We are at El Chuzo restaurant in Tampa, and we're here for a hamburger.
Here comes what Matthew has been waiting for.
Look. Now, this is not an exaggeration, but this is a hamburger.
And what is that called?
The extravagant. What's on this extravaganza burger?
Yeah. Sauces, french fries, lettuce, tomato, bacon, cheese, lots of cheese.
Beef.
20 ounces.
20 ounces.
Yeah, look at that cheesy stuff.
Smothered in cheese.
You gonna eat it all yourself? No, why? What? It's really big.
Well, the aftermath, we still have 1/4 of the burger left. This meal comes with rubber gloves, and you can see why.
There's only one person I know who could probably finish this hamburger, and that's Beard Meets Food. So they don't have a food challenge yet, but you should come down here and show them that somebody can eat the entire burger.
And this is the last bite. You finished. You want to ask them if they have a dessert menu?
That has to be the biggest hamburger I have ever had. I didn't even eat a full quarter or the french fries. Massive amount of food, and definitely an experience. So get you and a few friends together and come eat this hamburger.